Hello and welcome to Disco Dance. It's class 5 and we are learning a routine to Everybody Dance by Chic. So today we're going to be learning the final part of the verse and then that is the routine learnt, done and dusted. Okay, so really simple today. The first thing you do is step forward on your right foot and you step together. Step forward on your left foot and step together. Then you simply switch your feet. So you've got your heel up on your right foot and your toe on the floor. You simply switch, 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 switch for the next 8 counts. All right, so it's really simple. So what I'm going to do is add the arms in as well, because then the moves on your feet are going to make a lot more sense. So as you step forward on your right foot, left shoulder goes forward and then you center. Now it might feel counterintuitive, but it looks good if you do the same as you move forward on your left shoulder, on your left foot. So you've got your left shoulder coming forward and together. Okay, so you've just got this shoulder coming forward on the top half, but your feet are opposite. Okay, so let's do that together. So you go left shoulder, right foot together, then left shoulder, left foot together. Then your arms, we've got our left arm goes up as our right heel goes up. And then you just simply switch. And while you're switching, I want you to kind of roll your shoulders so you've got a nice movement in the top half of your body. Okay, so you do that for 4 counts. So I'll show you that all together. So we've got our step together, right, left, okay? So the next thing is really cool. The feet just keep going, swap, 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 swap for 8 counts. The arms, okay, let's just do the arms first because it's a little complicated, but it does look cool. Imagine you've got a box in front of you, and what I want you to do is the first thing you're going to do is you put your both hands up to the corner of that box, okay? That's count 1. You then dip, nice dip, and then cross to count 2. Dip again, count 3, and then down to your side for count 4. Okay, so let's just do the arms. We're going to go up, cross, up, down. Again, up, cross, up, and down. And if you've got a nice swing in it, it just looks really cool. So let's do this from the very beginning. You've got a step together. You've then got a step together. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. You then swap your arms, 5, 6, 7, 8. You then cross your arm, you put your arms up for count 1 with your left foot, cross for 2 with your right, up for 3 with your left, and down for 4 with your right. Repeat, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you should finish arms by your side and your right heel up, okay? So let's try that. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat, 5, 6, 7, 8 again, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. If you haven't got that, of course you can stop this video and just repeat that a few times, but we're going to carry on. So from the very beginning of this final stage of the verse, we are going to do a step forward with our right, step forward with our left. We're then going to swap arms, 2, 3, 4. We then go up, cross, up and down and up, cross, up and down. Then the next 8 counts, you step back on your right with your left shoulder going forward again. You step back on your left and then you do the same again. So you've got your arms up, 2, 3, 4. Then all your arms up, cross, up and down, up, cross, up and down. And that's it, guys. So let's do that with the music and get practicing. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step together, swap. Up, cross, up, down, up, cross, up, back. Up, cross, up, down, up, cross, up, down. That is it. That is class 5 finished, and that is the whole routine learnt in sections. So the next class, what we're going to do is put the whole thing together. So I look forward to seeing you then.